What's up? Kris Gethin here, CEO of KAGED Muscle Supplements, and I'm going to talk to you about whey protein isolate versus whey protein concentrate. Okay, there's a lot of confusion out there. A lot of people purchasing concentrate thinking it's the better protein to take over an isolate, or maybe because it's cheaper, they think, okay, it's on promotional value, I'm going to add more value into my kitchen. However, it's not giving you any value to your body in comparison to protein isolate. So why do people go for protein concentrate to begin with? Well, a lot of people have said that it's the better protein or as part of a blend to take post-workout. However, the reason why a lot of people say this and a lot of marketing has gone behind it is because it's a cheaper protein. It's a cheaper protein for the manufacturer to go and purchase, and then it's a cheaper protein for the consumer. However, it's less protein. So protein isolate is around 90% pure, but a protein concentrate is around 80%, 10% difference, quite a lot when you're looking after your gains. Not only that, it's a slower digesting protein. So straight after your workout, obviously you want something fast straight into your system, okay? And it's going to be better for those dieting because you're going to build up more muscle. If you recover faster, more muscle maintains a faster metabolism, meaning you burn off more calories, all right? Further from that, concentrate is higher in fat. It's higher in cholesterol. It's higher in lactose, higher in sugars. All the things that you don't want in a protein or in your diet that could potentially give you a more of an inflammatory response. That's what lactose does to some people that are lactose intolerant, or at least sensitive to lactose. So of course, you should always go for whey protein isolate. If you can have something that digests even faster, such as a prohydrolyzed enzyme in your protein, much like KAGED, that will break down into your body even faster. So there's the argument, which is quite clear, between whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. The obvious winner is, on my right, whey protein isolate. Hopefully that has cleared up a lot of confusion for you consumers.